When Typhoon Quinta ravaged Luzon, House Speaker Lord Alan Velasco was in his home province. Marinduque was one of the provinces devastated by the typhoon, which also hit Bicol region and Metro Manila. Velasco personally inspected areas in Marinduque, helping in the clearing operations. The speaker also assured that relief efforts are underway for typhoon victims on the island province. He also gave instructions to his staff to coordinate with the National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council and DSWD so assistance and immediate relief operations may be extended to other areas hit by the typhoon.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.